langlok so pingkhat rong pi arong along ingdeng ke thom hen ubahi ke kan padupon Nilip MSC constituency ke palo koila mati kosom langso aro athak dolong kabe ajok rada tum ka cheleng afan kisum chichakna Daithor police station ke polo hanboka anglong arleng along towar khaino parpik ajok ihum abas ka cheleng atowar pen angtam suipik Kardom Karbi prime time long benedi birta thamang thare harmony non birtang don pen arjik thang langlok so pingkhat rong pi arong along ingdeng ke thom hen ubahi ke kan ke padopon abirta card news asa hemalo preni phai inko rapli arni birta nangpale Karbi ke kang thim mithang jutang jubat porong puthi luntemo ke ingchu pixitame non ke lahai luntemo lapen porong puthi ke kivir ason si mandetlo kivir rangrang Karbi jutang jubat puthot ke pareng pon thuji aphan kemang padopon si ke namtan preni phai inko rak ke thomarni langlok so pingkhat rong pi arong along ingdeng ke thom hen ubahi ke kan padopon Arni kangsom porpai trok si aporpen pingkhat rong pi arong amekan borpung tokbi ahem kepadopon hen ubahi kekan ke langlok so pingkhat rong pi arong rong asa ramsin rong pi pensi ingpu pon laso hud langlok so moja amujidar chondro sing teron pen chenglong tebok terai rong asaratum chetong dun laso sai along lun sepo mairam rong pi lapen Lun temo along kangbura rongpi Jai Singh rongpi lapen Ram Singh rongpi atum si cerap cetudunlu pinpur pome ningkan hini aprangke pingkhat rongpi arong along longki rongpi lapen Mairam rongpi ahem along hen up ahi kikan padoponlu Nilip MSC constituency angkang koilamati kosom langso alang roi parai herai kache kapji aphantolong kabe ajawra tum kisum kache tongnang abirta preni phai engko rapli arni card news asa hem along pherang kepen birta nangpale kosom langso adolong kawe ajok nilip MSC constituency ke parlo koilamati aratum kache lenga phan kisum chichaknang thengpi arong ke don pensi dolong kapinchong ariwang ta radatum laso alang roi chekap ji aphan mesen kichitip adolong kawe ajok pinan sungnang rentilo ariwang ta check adolong takim rang bomlo sitame arbe ke thepen lang ke the hot ason ke lang pon right ti pusi rong asar pen chenglok rong aratum pen ka humri da mahut kisungala nang che thandun non hejong dorbagri MSC constituency angkang Daithor police station ke parlo hanboka arleng along starbus AS 09C 8622 ka chelenga towar kahino parpik ajok angtan ke sui chok abirta card news asa hemalong birta nangli Birta kelongdun ateng ke laso apas dipu Daithor daihuri si arnibang ta cheleng bom dipu ben ke dam bom hanboka arleng baji dog dog along towar kahino parpik ajoksi laso apas badun edet amat ka cheleng atowar pen angtan sui fitlo bazolong ka chathabdun atum ke areng ahu keso abang abela labang so adim thot ke dam tang achiklo ta tracker akari arleng parlun edet amat arlok klochok hala so hot ke ari akeng kelong atum bahini lo puta Kitek dun long wek atum pen pachini bike scooty lepen bicycle ke kaching koi ke lakhau neder lo puta adung het ke do arada tum pen pherang ke long nang thandun hamphang aso tum pen aphong aphong bangso tawar pen rd ke do parpik ahormu truck pen ponripu kachesong dupiglo sitame hamphang aso tum alam contractor atum kapate pek ajok non pu anta cardiac parpik mate overload asangti harlong roi pon bomla laso tawar capacity lake narkep lapen sirkep ton Anchot ke ponunji sitame non ke ingko ra pho thongkep ton an ahor musi arnibang ta humingko thongkep adam parpen sang ti harlong ke roi pensi towar henolamlo laso jok non rod atum pinan akisum chechak nang rentilo ke manghumi me alam abang ke adung het Daithor forest gate text gate lapen Daithor police station atum talahai sangti harlong ke roi atrak along pen arnibang tangka jo endun chot pen Anpar ke thangnata radaphan kematha awea porsi rat kisung chichak nang are luputa aning ke pum arat tumpen pherang ke atum kedamahut pachini dun nun malam support birtamu don paniksina
Kopili Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant The most flavorful and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast-style pork curry. Wait! Not only this, Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Gopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HRSA Complex, Dharamnala Road, Diffu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Diffu. For more details and services, please contact at 70024 56806 or 9957 537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Diffu Main Market. Hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service, accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Diffu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Diffu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Amandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Diffu Karbi Anglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Come on, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ বাই দি ৱে কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্চ জুচ
Dina mo piputat bertalong wang tulo. Kichengsi angdeng North East Olympic Game Imphal Manipur along Pleni pha ingko rapli arni pen ke pangcheng pon abirta kadro sa hemlong birta nampale Manipur arong supi Imphal along 2018 anikan abaha Kichengsi angdeng North East Olympic Game Pleni pha ingko rapli pen nipa ingko narkep arnia nipo aparman Pleni pha ingko rapli pen kajapate pangcheng pon tanglo labangso game along Assam Team Penta program kabatu along kajapate dunjia phan chetoy dut Lapen bangso game along Assam Team Pen Flag Barrier lake 2017 aningkan Guwahati along Kipaman pon World Youth Boxing Championship along Sierra nong e Kelong abang phi Ankusita Boro Anparta Assam Team Pen Advisor lake Master Game Federation of India Joint Secretary Mate Assam Olympic Association along Assistant Secretary Dhon Singh Rongpi Chetongtun Assam ang kangpi song plikebra trok asong tumpen preni pha ingkora ka thom arni kangkir ke pha arni westgar benglong baithalang so along sai hem do anda ingpula phusi kadnu sa phelang ke jesoni hi pen birta nang pale Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 apothak Assam ang kangpi along pregjam ang phanga song tumpen ghonta krehini kangkir ke pha padu kangkir ke pha arni karbenglong autonomous council pen sai kam do anta kayate kangpuji lepen chokomar atung sitame sai ka cheklem ji aphan pachini pon westgar benglong district baithalang so along pregjam asai hem Kayateng kangpu pon pado Lapan sai hem along 4 grade achokoma atum methang mathang asai hem along sai chiklem renti sitame sai hem sai pu atum sai hem chodam wangwe laso jok sai hem le ingpu sitame thangnat asai ta keklem pon abadialo pusi birta longdun Karbi prime time ang lapan sikang ton ponilo dumi thakme kurwang tu